Hi, my name is Jared and I'm a technical support engineer here at Hawk Ridge Systems. This video is part of our technical support tips and tricks video series. This video covers how to use the IPC Footprint Wizard within SOLIDWORKS PCB to quickly create complex footprints that meet IPC standards. The IPC Footprint Wizard allows users to directly enter package size and dimension data from a component's datasheet to accurately create footprints according to IPC standards. The wizard also allows the user to add 3D models to the footprint. In order to launch the IPC Footprint Wizard, from within your PCB library document, navigate to Tools tab, then IPC Footprint Wizard. Once the wizard's up, you can select Next. And here on the first page, we have all of the major or most common package and component sizes and types. You can choose from a wide range. This example, we'll go ahead and try the QFN. Once you've selected your overall package size, you can then begin entering data directly from a component's datasheet. Here's an example of a datasheet. Again, you can see that the dimensions are clearly denoted, and transferring those values to the appropriate fields will allow for you to create an accurate representation of the given footprint. After the overall dimensions, you can move on to pin dimensions, power pad dimensions, heel spacing, solder fillets, component tolerances, IPC tolerances, footprint dimensions, silkscreen dimensions, assembly and component body information. And once all that's entered, you can then add a description and a name for your component. On the footprint destination page, you have the ability to produce a 3D or step model of the actual component, or you can choose to use an external file, perhaps downloaded from a given 3D CAD library site. Once you've set the desired footprint destination settings, you can once again click Next, which will finish out the wizard. Clicking the Finish button will generate the footprint. In this instance, I've already created this footprint. As you can see, based on the data that I entered, it has now created a footprint that is up to IPC standards. And going into the 3D view, we can even rotate our model to double check spacing and other elements. I hope this video has been helpful outlining how to use the IPC Footprint Wizard within SOLIDWORKS PCB to quickly create complex footprints that meet IPC standards. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.hawkridgesys.com for more knowledge-based material.